What is up, guys? Today I took a trade and I won it partially. My full take profit did not hit, but still broke even, so it's still a dub. Coming into today, I was bearish and market was having bearish order flow when it opened, but price action once again shit the bed as soon as it opened, so it swept out the liquidity that I was looking at for shorts. So then I had to change my bias to longs, which that worked out. But let's get into the recap. So when I came to the 4 hour, obviously bearish order flow. I haven't broke structure to the upside yet, but again, I wanted to go for shorts. But after I saw we swept Asian session lows, I was like, all right, well, more likely we're going to come up reverse and sweep out the London session highs. On the hourly, I saw that we were going to, yeah, we were going to break structure on this candle right here to the downside. So we maintained structure on the hourly for longs. So that's another reason why I wanted to go long. If we would have broke structure right here on the hourly to the downside, then I would still be looking for shorts, but we still maintain bullish order flow. And then I just get onto the 5 minute. As you can see, during pre-market, we were having a strong draw on these Asian lows, which you can see we swept out. And when market open, we finished it off. Boom, came down here. So I was like, all right, well, um, that draw of liquidity is already taken care of. And more likely, we're going to reverse and take out these London session highs, which we ended up doing. So I just waited for a break of structure, and then I just waited for my macro to open just to be safe. I didn't want to rush into a trade. I noticed, taking a trade before my macro probably isn't the best idea because majority of the time it could be a manipulation move. So I just wanted more confirmation, but I saw the break of structure to the upside on the 5 minute. So then I just scaled down to the 1 minute and I just waited for the macro to open. So 950 is when the macro opens for me. Boom. So originally I wanted to see a retrace to this bullish fair value gap, which we never got one. So I was like, fuck. But then I saw we created another fair value gap. We actually created two. We created this bearish fair value gap and then this bullish fair value gap. We disrespected this bearish fair value gap. So I was like, all right, bullish order flow is being maintained. And then we also were respecting this bullish fair value gap. So order flow was looking good for longs. So I just entered off of that. Or actually, no, that was one of the things I entered off of. Because we broke structure right here on the downside. So I was like, all right, well, I want to see break structure one more time. And then, as you can see, I entered on this candle, broke structure, put my stop right here on these lows. I was getting close to getting stopped out. And then I was close to getting my partial take profit hit, got bamboozled there. And then once again, got close to getting stopped out. And then a couple hours later, my partial got hit. I took my partials and then we consolidated. I thought we were going to come up here and sweep this 4 hour draw liquidity because the S&P did that, but Nasdaq did not want to follow. Um, yeah, up here on the S&P we swept out two 4 hour draws of liquidity, but on Nasdaq we did not do nothing close to that. And then price shit the bed, hit my break even, still took a dub. So I hope you guys have a good night and talk to you later.